How to approve or revoke permissions in SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to approve or revoke token permissions in SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To approve or revoke token permissions in SafePal, open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, go to the app browser, tap the wallet icon or find the connected apps or permission section in the settings menu. Once you enter the setting menu, here you will see a list of decentralized apps and tokens you have given permission to spend your tokens. To revoke permissions, find the tokens or app, then tap Revoke or Remove Access. Confirm the action, then select the app will no longer able to spend your tokens. To approve permissions, simply connect to the app and authorize token spending during transaction process. Always review permissions carefully to keep your account or wallet secure. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our videos for full guidance. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. Bye bye.